Hiya, this is lesson 5 for SURDS. So it's number 5 here. That means we've already done 4 lessons on that. Again, if you didn't see those lessons, those videos, you should go there, watch them and come back here. So simplifying SURDS. I created one more video on simplifying SURDS, but this is quite, quick and fantastic method. What's a POP method? So let me quickly disclose it now. POP method. POP means power of pair. Yeah. What's the power of pair? Let's see. So we're going to be understanding simplifying thing with our POP method. So let's say, for example, we have square root 12. We have to simplify that. Again, what simplifying is? Simplifying SURDS means taking the square number out of the SURD. Okay, so it's square root 12. We just take the number. Let's say, for example, we have taken the number and we will use, you can go with any of the method. Today, we are going to be using factor tree method. So if you divide it by 2, you're going to be getting 6, right? 2 times 6 is 12. We can divide 6 back again. 2 times 3 is 6. So what exactly are we doing? We are just trying to break our number into prime numbers. So 2, 2 and 3. We're going to be writing it there. So square root 12 can be written as 2 times 2 times 3. Now let's think of POP method. So what POP method is? Pair. We have to check the number that is in pair. So 2 is in pair. So we will be taking the number that is in pair out of the SURD. So the number that is in pair, it can leave the SURD. So if you think of this SURD as a, it's a trap. So the one that is in pair can leave the SURD. So now your 2 is outside and your root 3, 3 is inside because 3 doesn't have any pair, right? So pair is working over here and this is called POP method. Again, POP method is nothing but breaking your number into prime numbers first and then checking which particular number is in pair. The number which is in pair can be written out and can leave the SURD out. Let's try another question. Another question we have is square root 40. Okay, we're going to be quickly, this method is basically for those who have who are not really confident for their times table or calculation is not so strong. So I would suggest to be safe for if you want to score 9, grade 9, achieve your 100%, that means you should have all tricks and tactics. So we're going to be taking 40, thinking back again, prime numbers. That means we won't divide it by 4, but we're going to be dividing it by 2. If you divide the number by 2, 2 times 20 is 40. Very nice. Let's divide it back. 2 times 10 is 20. Okay, we can break it up. 2 times 5 is 10. So what exactly are we doing over here? So if we multiply these two numbers, we're going to be getting that, if you don't know. So if you take 2 and 10, we are getting 20. So something like that. We splitted it up. Now what we need to do, we're going to be writing under the SURD all the prime numbers. So prime numbers are 2, 2, 2 and 5. So let's write that there. 2 times 2 times 2 times 5. Okay. Lucky pairs are going to be moving out of the SURD. So we have a pair of 2. But the other 2 is alone. Same for 5. Okay, so we can take the one that is in pair outside, but we will be left with 2 and 5 that are unpaired. So you can multiply them. Your final answer is going to be root 10, 2 root 10, right? Simple. Okay, next question is square root 18. What we need to do, you know that. Just solve it and answer through comment. Bye-bye. Take care.